CAD simulation for section 5.3. It is for the robot Wall H, which is part of a system of robots that help clean a hospital. Wall H's job is to primarily pick up trash in the hospital. It is remote operated using this remote right here, and the robot itself will have a camera on it for the sake of controlling it and stuff. The logic behind it is based off of this flowchart or this algorithm where we are checking if a button is pressed, and if it is pressed, which button is pressed here, and it going down the list for all the different buttons that you could use with the corresponding actions for those buttons and repeating that loop. I already started the simulation. Once it starts, all of the motors will sit idly waiting for an input. I set up the motors for the wheels, which are these four down here, to be controlled by 2, 8, 4, and 6, like directional arrows. When I click one of those, the motors are going to turn on and move in the corresponding direction. We have 2 for forward. You can see all 4 motors start driving forward. 8 to go in reverse, with all of them having a negative symbol in front of that. To turn left, I have the right motors staying on while the left ones turn off, and vice versa. To turn right, we flip the motors so that the left ones stay on and the right ones turn off. To stop Wall H from moving, you can use either 7 or 9. It won't receive any directional input from those numbers and they'll turn off. That's it for the controlling of Wall H and how he moves. These 2 motors are going to control the arm on Wall H. He has a claw arm in front of him. This right one is going to be to control the arm going up and down. I use 1 and 3 to dictate that. So if I click 1, it's going to flip that arm down. 3 will bring it back up. And then 5 is set just for this motor, and it's going to be just a single toggle to close and open the claw at the end of his arm. So you can see this would be, let's say, fully open, and we switch it back to close. Alrighty, and then here is the code for everything, starting from the top here. Alrighty, and that is the explanation for my circuit for Wall H. Thank you.